Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are at grandma's house and I saw this leaf that is used for blood. And I said, okay, since we are creating versatile content, like different content, why don't I show you people this leaf? I'm not an herbalist, but I know leaves. So let me quickly show you guys the leaf and the work of the leaf. So this is the leaf. I don't know if you guys know this leaf. They call it the blood tonic. And this leaf is proven and tested and trusted. The leaf works wonder. So this leaf, how do you use it? It's for people with is it low blood counts, or what do they call it? If you have if your blood is low, if you maybe they ask you to get, instead of getting pints of blood or blood tonic, maybe you're using blood tonic, this works. So I remember a time where, not even a time, there was a time I used to do my blood test and they would say, oh, Julie, your blood is low, your blood is low, go and take blood tonic. I've tried different blood tonic and it did not work. But you see this leaf, it works wonder. So how do you use the leaf? The leaf, what you need to do is you pluck it fresh like this, you rinse it, then you put it on fire. So I think I have few videos on it. I don't know, I'm going to look for the videos where I've cooked the leaf. So once you finish cooking the leaf, the leaf is going to turn to, it will be like blood tonic. It will be red like blood tonic, the way blood tonic is. You can put milk and drink it like that. You can drink it like that. The leaf is not bitter, it's not sweet. It's just there. It has blood tonic taste. If you drink it morning and night, I give you 2 days, your blood will regulate. It will settle. I've always wanted to do videos like this because I'm someone that I love herbs. Anything I used to treat myself is herbs, so I look for the best. This particular leaf, get it. Now, the way you cook the leaf, once you will have to cut the quantity that you need, okay? You cut the quantity that you can finish in a day. So once you've drank it, or you cook it, you drink it morning and night, you dispose it. You cook another batch, you dispose it. That's how you drink it. I give you 2 days, your blood will regulate. So this is for people that are having maybe low blood count, or I don't know what these doctors call it. This is natural blood tonic. So there was a time I was complaining of stress. I was working so hard and I was complaining of stress. And they were like, I should go and get the Dion. The Dion works wonder. I don't know if you guys know the Dion blood tonic. That it works wonder. So I went to get the Dion for 4,000 naira. And at the end of the day, the Dion ended up not working. So Mama had to bring this leaf for me. I was like, I should start drinking it. So I was drinking it consistently. And before you know, God, I get a surplus. My blood was already okay. So it's a try. It's a try. Let me know if you want videos like this. I love herbs. I do. There's another leaf I want to show you people here, but I don't know if I should include it in this video. Maybe I should just do it section by section. I love herbs. Let me know if you want herbal videos like this. I'll be telling you. So if you want the leaf, I don't know, I'm going to send it to, I don't know, but if you're in Lagos, I'm close by to Lagos now, I can send it to you for free. It's at our backyard, so you can see. It's at our backyard. I'll cut it easy. Blood tonic. Now let me quickly chip bitter leaf in. For people that want glowing skin, there's hack for bitter leaf. I'm going to let you know in my next video. So let me know if you like videos like this and I'll continue filming it. Okay, don't mind them. We are at grandma's place, so many shouts will be everywhere. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. But let me know if you want videos like this. Of course, I'll be willing to share the my name.